In this video, let's see how to generate SMS templates using AI. In the navigation bar, click on SMS to expand the options. Select Templates from the SMS submenu. In the SMS template group section, you have the option to either create a new template group or utilize an existing one. Click on Templates button next to any of the template group. Then, click on Generate with AI. Here you can see the interface for AI template generation. You have the option to create an SMS template using the suggested prompts or by crafting your own prompts. To add a generated SMS template to a template group, simply click on the Add to Template Group button next to the desired template. In the confirmation pop-up, click the Confirm button to continue. Now, let's see the generated SMS template. Click on View Message next to the template to see the details. Click the three-dot menu icon next to a SMS template. You can also copy, share and delete the template from this three-dot menu. Click on this icon to edit the corresponding template. Thank you for watching.